Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G Pure. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, you can change lock screen notifications and preference, like privacy, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, and show device controls. Next, you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Then, you can enable or disable dark theme, and also schedule it. Next, you can change font size, display size, enable or disable night light, and also adjust it intensity and schedule it. Then you can change colors mode between natural, saturated, and you can change color temperature. Then you can enable or disable auto rotate screen, full screen display for apps. You can set screensaver, enable or disable attentive display, peak display, 3-finger screenshot, swipe to split, and you can adjust screen record settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.